Nutrition and the 5 food groups. This presentation will focus on nutrition, nutrients, and the 5 food groups. The purpose of this presentation is to educate you. So if this is new for you, it's okay. The objective of this presentation is to learn about what nutrition is, what nutrients are, and what the 5 food groups are. What is nutrition? Nutrition is about what you put in your body and how it impacts your health. What you put in your body can either hurt you or help you. I usually compare the human body to a car. When we want our car to last for a long time, we have to take care of it and also provide it with fuel so that it can run. Car fuel. Car needs gas to power it up so that it can move from one place to another. Fuel for the human body. The human body needs food and water to help power it up so that it can work. Nutrients. We know that foods are what give our body energy. In foods, there is something called nutrients that make up our food. Nutrients are very important for our body because it helps heal our body, give us energy, help us grow, and help us stay healthy. The different roles that nutrients play for our body comes from different types of foods. The 6 food groups. For our body to get all the nutrients that it needs, we have to eat different types of foods. In the American diet, foods are put into 6 food groups. We have grain, fruits, vegetable, protein, dairy, and oil. Grain is on the bottom. Grain is right here. Our fruit is right here. Vegetable, protein, dairy, and oil. Here we have the same picture from before, the food pyramid. On the bottom we have grain, right here, grain. And then as we move up, we have fruits, vegetables, and then we have our protein, dairy, and fats, also known as oils. The higher the food is in the pyramid, the more unhealthy it is, and the less likely you want to eat it. So we will begin with the bottom of the food pyramid, starting with the grains. Grains are small, hard, dry seeds that are part of the grass family. They are wheat, rice, barley, oats, buckwheat, and rye. Grains are a good source of food that help you feel full throughout the day. So here we have rice on the picture. We have our wheat, oat, barley, buckwheat, rye, and millet. Grains are divided into 2 groups, whole grains and refined grains. Whole grains and refined grains. Whole grains are considered the good and healthy grains. Whole grains are healthy because it still has important nutrients in it, which has not been taken away. This is the type of grain that you want to buy in store. On packaged food, it should say whole grain on it, or it should have a yellow square that says 100% whole grain, like in the picture right here. And then we have our refined grains, which are less healthy. These type of grains don't have important nutrients in them because in the process of packaging them, the important nutrients that our body needs are removed. These type of grains are lighter in colors than the whole grains. So in this picture, it's showing you whole grain wheat as harvest right here. And then next to it is just a grained wheat picture that is commonly sold in store, whole grain wheat, right here. The color of the whole wheat is golden brown, and so is the whole wheat flour moving up. The golden brown color is very important because it contains all of the important nutrients that our body need. So once the golden brown color is removed, which is the refined white flour, the nutrients have been removed. And that's why we want to buy whole grains instead of refined grains, because whole grains still have the color, the golden brown color, which is what contains the nutrients. And refined grains have the color removed, meaning that all of the nutrients is also removed with the color. Alright, so moving up from grain, we have our fruits. Now fruits are sweet products of trees and other plants that have seeds in them. So some examples of fruits are apples, oranges, mangoes, peaches, bananas, and many more. Fruits are delicious to eat, and they are also very good for our body. Fruits help our body fight diseases and germs. Fruits help us from getting sick and help us stay healthy. So to make sure that fruits are helping out our body, we need to eat at least 2 or more servings. So in this slide, we have a picture that shows you how much one serving is, and you want 2 servings of fruits a day. So 1 fist is 1 serving. So we need to make 2 fists, and that's 2 servings, the amount that we want in a day. There are lots of good nutrients in fruits, and we should eat different types of fruits in different colors. Different colors, especially orange, red, and yellow, can help with our immune system. So ways to have fruits in our diet is to have it as snacks and put it in our meals, like breakfast and dinners. Right, moving from fruit, we move to our vegetables. So vegetables come from different parts of plants, as you can see in the picture. Vegetables are leaves of plants, roots, the stems, flowers, seeds, and shoots. It's just different parts. And here we have some pictures of vegetable that you might be familiar with. You can see that there are eggplants, long beans, carrots, gourds, and things like that. Why are vegetables important? Vegetables are very important for our body because it has a lot of amazing nutrients that is just wonderful for our body. So vegetable does a lot for our body, like repairing it, giving it energy, giving our body a fighting chance against diseases. Like fruits, eating different type of vegetables in different color is very important. Different colors in fruit and vegetables have different important nutrients in them that specifically played different roles in different parts of our body. And because of this, we should eat at least 1 to 4 servings of vegetable a day. So in this picture, this is what 1 serving looks like, and we want to eat 1 to 4. Alright. Proteins. So proteins are from meats. They are from seafoods, beans, peas, eggs, nuts, seeds, and soy products. People commonly believe that, proteins are commonly known to be more rich in animals than in plants. Proteins and why they are important for us. Proteins are an important part of our diet because of its ability to heal our body when we do physical activities or when we are using our muscle a lot. So what do protein do? Protein have 5 functions. It can build our muscle, bones, skin, hair, and nails. It can help repair our body when we are injured or have done extreme activities like climbing, running, lifting, and many more. It can help carry oxygen in our blood throughout our body, help us to digest food better, and also help our body stay balanced. Dairy, also known as milk products, are a type of food that have milk from animals like goats, cows, sheep, buffaloes, and cattle. Dairy products are in foods like milk, cheese, yogurt, cream, ice cream, and butter. Dairy is good for our body because it has an important nutrients in it called calcium. Now calcium is very important in helping build strong teeth and bones. When we get older, our bones start to become weak, so it's important to get enough calcium when we are young so that we have time to build strong bones for ourselves. Moving from dairy, we have oils. And oils are fats found in animals, plants, fish, and seeds. Oils are high in energies and help our body to take nutrients from foods. Oil are also great for adding flavors to our foods and also allowing us to cook in different ways. Now in oils, there are different types of fats. We have the good fats and we have the bad fats. The good fats are found in foods like fish, avocado, plants, nuts, and seeds. Good fats are great for our hair, our skin, our brain, and our energy. Right here, we have our good fat picture right there. And the bottom, we have our bad fats. Bad fats are found in foods like fast food, junk foods, baked goods, French fried foods, and foods that are already prepared. Bad fats are something that you don't want to eat a lot of because they can cause issues like high blood pressure, obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and stroke. Here we have an activity that you can fill out on your own. You can draw the triangle or the food pyramid and put in the names of the foods that you believe belong in certain parts of the pyramid. What foods do you think are in the bottom part? What food do you think are in the second half? Right here and right here. And moving up right here and right here and on the top of the pyramid. On the next slide, this pyramid will be filled with the right answer. You can pause this video and try to do it yourself and then move to the next video to see if you got it right. Here we have the pyramid with the correct foods in them. That's all for this presentation, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Remember that I will call you for follow-up in a few days. Thank you and have a wonderful day.